Good morning, children. Now we come to exercises of your book NCERT, exercise 2.1. Now here 1 and the fourth question, first and fourth I have done for you. Rest of the questions you have to do yourself. Just see here. Here it is 2 minus 3 upon 5. No denominator, so we put 1 as its denominator. Now we make the two fractions as like fraction. So it becomes 10 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 upon 5. Now the second I have done for you, that is of mixed fraction. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. So first we convert it to improper fraction, that is 3 into 2 plus 2 and 2 into 3 plus 1, here upon 3 and here upon 2. So in the next step you get 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 upon 3 and 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Now you convert it to like fraction. You multiply these two numbers by 2 and these two numbers by 3. Like here 8 into 2 3 into 2 plus 7 into 3 upon 2 into 3. So you get 16 upon 6 minus 21 upon 6. So 16 upon 6 plus 21 upon 6. So you get 37 upon 6 and this is your answer. Now you have to attempt all the questions. We come to second question, that is arrange in descending order. As while explanation I have told you, whenever you have to either arrange in ascending or descending order, first you will have to make all the fractions into like fraction. You will convert the fractions, given fraction, into like fraction. Just see here, 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3, 8 upon 21. So we first take out LCM of 9, 3 and 21. Just see here, when we take out LCM of 9, 3 and 21, we get 7 into 3 into 3, that is 7 multiplied by 3 into 3, that is 63. So LCM of these three numbers is 63. Now in denominator you want 63. So 9 multiplied by 7 gives you 63. Numerator will also get multiplied by the same number. 3 multiplied by 21 will give you 63. So numerator also multiplied by 21. And 21 multiplied by 3 gives you 63. So numerator also multiplied by 3. So finally you get 16 upon 63, 42 upon 63 and 24 upon 63. Now you can arrange in descending order. Which one is the biggest number? This. And it stands for this number. So 2 by 3 is greatest. Then the second is 24 upon 63 and it stands for 8 upon 21. So 8 upon 21 is smaller than first one, and then the third is 2 upon 9 is the smallest one among the three. So in this way we arrange in descending order. Question 2, do yourself. Now we come to question number 4. Here it is saying that length and breadth of rectangle, length and breadth of a rectangular sheet of paper is 12, 1 by 2 centimeter and 10, 2 by 3 centimeter wide. So you have to find perimeters. Perimeter is equal to, you know formula, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth, that is 2 into 12 1 by 2 plus 10 2 by 3 centimeter. Now in the next step you directly convert it to improper fraction. 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25 upon 2, 10 3s are 30 plus 2 32 upon 3. Now you convert into like fraction. So multiply it by 3 and this by 2. So it will become like fraction, that is 75 upon 6 plus 64 upon 6. Now in the next step you get 2 multiplied by 139 upon 6, and that equals to 139 upon 3. 2 3s are 6. So 139 upon 3. And when you convert it to mixed fraction, you get 46 1 by 3 centimeters. So this is your answer. Now look in the book. Question number 5. Find the perimeter of triangle ABC. So all the measurements are given, and perimeter of triangle is equal to side plus side plus side. So you have to add all the three fractions. Now the rectangle ABCD in this figure. For this ABCD also, its perimeter also you have to find. So breadth of this figure is given and length of this figure is this. You will place the formula 2 into length plus breadth, and then again you will solve and get the perimeter of this rectangle. Now question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So for solution, you will write picture needed to be trimmed will be equal to 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10, and further convert it into improper fraction, then like fraction, and then solve it. Now next we come to question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5th part of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother. So how much part of apple did Somu eat? You can just subtract 3 by 5 from 1. So it is 1, or you can write 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5, that equals to 2 by 5. 2/5 part of apple was eaten by Somu. So who ate larger? Now you can find 2/5 is large part or 3/5 is large part. So 3/5 is the larger part. So Ritu ate larger part. Now Michelle finished, question number 8. Michelle finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring picture in 3 by 4 hours. So in this question also, you will write Michelle and Vaibhav. 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. So first convert it into like fraction. 4 3s are 12 into 3. So you get 7 upon 12 and 9 upon 12. Now the question is, by what fraction was it longer? Who took longer time? Vaibhav took longer time. By what fraction? That is 9 minus 7 upon 12, that is 2 by 12 hours. So Vaibhav took 2 by 12 hours more than Michelle to finish coloring. Okay children, complete this exercise today in your copy.